Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Spacedesk with a USB. First, download and install the Spacedesk driver on your Windows PC. Then restart the PC after installation. Now make sure the Spacedesk service is running. Then install the Spacedesk app on Android, iPad, or another PC. After that, open the app and keep it ready. Now enable USB tethering, which is important. On Android, first connect the phone to the PC using a USB cable. Then go to phone settings and open network or connections. After that, turn USB tethering on. For iPad, which is a window-only workaround, first install iTunes. Then connect the iPad to the PC using a USB cable, as it uses USB networking. Next, connect Spacedesk via USB. Now open the Spacedesk app on the second device. Here, your PC should appear automatically. Then, tap connect and the USB will act as the network. After that, set the display mode on the PC. Press the window button +P and choose extend. Or, go to display settings and arrange the screens. Now, open Spacedesk settings and set the resolution to 1080p or lower. Then, set FPS to 30 for stability. After that, make sure to use a USB 2.0 or 3.0 cable and not a charging-only cable. Finally, if the USB connection is not working, check these fixes. If USB tethering is not showing, install the phone's USB drivers. If the device is not detected, restart the Spacedesk service. If there are lag issues, lower the resolution and FPS. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.